All right, let's settle this. Apple Keynote or Microsoft PowerPoint? Which one actually makes better presentations? We'll test both, side by side, from creating your first slide to adding animations, charts, media, and exporting the final show. Keynote's on the left, PowerPoint's on the right. Same project, same steps, two very different styles. PowerPoint's the industry veteran, reliable everywhere. Keynote's Apple's smooth, design-driven rival, free, fast, and cinematic. So, which one wins for you? Let's find out. Let's start right from the beginning. Downloading both apps. Open the Mac App Store and search for Keynote. It's completely free for every Mac user. Open Microsoft's website or the Microsoft Store and search for PowerPoint. You can download it as part of the Microsoft 365 suite or try the web version for free. Let's start fresh. On the left in Keynote, click New. You'll see this clean, minimalist gallery, big thumbnails, modern fonts, plenty of white space. On the right, PowerPoint greets you with a more functional dashboard, templates, themes, recent files. If I pick a plain white presentation in both, Keynote opens instantly with a clean workspace, while PowerPoint loads a second longer but shows more visible tools. First impressions? Keynote feels light and creative. PowerPoint feels serious and professional. Next up, templates. Keynote's templates are stunning. Great typography, smooth gradients, strong color palettes. PowerPoint has more business, academic, data themes, but some look a little dated right out of the box. Apple designs for beauty. Microsoft designs for breadth. If you're building a creative pitch deck, Keynote wows. If you're making quarterly reports, PowerPoint gives structure. Now let's explore the workspace. Keynote's toolbar is minimal. Just add, format, animate. The right sidebar updates automatically depending on what you select. PowerPoint uses the ribbon. Lots of tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions. It's busy, but powerful. So, Keynote encourages flow. PowerPoint offers precision. In Keynote, click the plus icon to add new slides. The visual layout previews make it easy. In PowerPoint, use the New Slide dropdown for more layout combinations. Both let you rearrange slides just by drag and drop. Let's add some real content. Type into the title boxes. Keynote's text rendering looks crisp. PowerPoint's formatting options are richer. Now drag an image in. Both snap into place, but Keynote's motion feels smoother. Keynote feels like a design tool. PowerPoint feels like a layout engine. In Keynote, changing backgrounds is instant. Select your slide, go to Format, Background, and pick a gradient or an image fill. PowerPoint has a Format background pane. More control, but more steps. Fonts render sharper in Keynote on macOS, while PowerPoint maintains consistency across all platforms. Both apps include shape libraries. Keynote's shapes are vector-based and editable. PowerPoint's library includes SmartArt, flowcharts, and even 3D icons. So for creative visuals, a Keynote. For data and diagrams, PowerPoint. In Keynote, live guides snap elements perfectly into place. In PowerPoint, alignment tools are more mathematical. Align center, distribute evenly, and so on. Keynote's animations are elegant. Move in, fade, pop. PowerPoint's library is deeper. Fly in, spin, morph with triggers and custom motion paths. Keynote is cinematic. PowerPoint is flexible. Magic move in Keynote versus morph transition in PowerPoint. Both are brilliant. Duplicate a slide, move an object, and watch how they transition automatically. Magic move equals fast storytelling. Morph equals deeper control. Insert charts. In Keynote, a simple editor pops up, great for quick visuals. PowerPoint links directly to Excel, so you can use real data and formulas. PowerPoint wins for data depth. Keynote wins for simplicity. Drag a video into Keynote. Playback is smooth, even with transparency and layered elements. In PowerPoint, insert a video from File or YouTube, and you get advanced playback settings. For cinematic effects, Keynote shines. For integration, PowerPoint wins. Keynote uses iCloud for collaboration, perfect inside the Apple ecosystem. PowerPoint connects to OneDrive and Microsoft Teams, making it truly cross-platform. Keynote's presenter view is clean. Notes, timer, and even remote control via iPhone. PowerPoint's presenter view has advanced tools like Zoom, laser pointer, and live annotations. On Mac, Keynote runs effortlessly. Optimized for Apple Silicon, PowerPoint is smoother on Windows but feels heavier on Mac. Keynote exports to PPTX, PDF, video, and GIF, though some animations don't survive the trip to PowerPoint format. PowerPoint exports to MP4, PDF, PPTX, and works everywhere. So, PowerPoint is more shareable. Keynote is more aesthetic. PowerPoint integrates deeply with Excel and Teams. Keynote integrates beautifully with Numbers and Final Cut. Microsoft builds for productivity. Apple builds for creativity. Keynote is completely free for Apple users. PowerPoint requires a Microsoft 365 subscription, around $10 a month, though you can try the web version for free. If you're a designer or a student, go with Keynote. If you're a business professional or analyst, PowerPoint's your friend. You can even mix both, design in Keynote, export to PowerPoint. To summarize, Keynote wins for clean design, animations, and being free. PowerPoint wins for collaboration, compatibility, and control. Keynote is Apple's storyteller. PowerPoint is Microsoft's powerhouse. So in the end, it's not about which one's better, it's about which one fits your story. If you want simplicity, go Keynote. If you want flexibility, go PowerPoint. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Keynote or Team PowerPoint? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Apple versus Microsoft showdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.